We are now at day 3 here at Think Smart Factory in Kyoto, and we have been covering a lot of nice equipment from here, and it's been really exciting. The vendors and the exhibitors in general have been really open-minded in talking about the equipment and what they are capable of doing. And I guess that most people, when they talk about workflow, they think about the pre-press workflow. But in this example at this show here, you can clearly see how important automation and workflow is also in relation to the binding equipment. I guess that everybody knows that binding and binderies is pretty labor intensive. So here is good examples on how you can optimize your production workflow. And as some of the people that we spoke to here at the show told, whenever you can actually optimize production because the print runs become shorter, it's actually money in the bank. So again, another reason for coming to the next Think Smart Factory. We were told yesterday evening that they are planning to do one more or more shows of Think Smart Factory. So stay tuned. We hope to see you soon, and thank you very much for following us on this journey during these past 3 days.
Actually, let's say great, let's say 3 days. Actually, we can, let's say, show one of, let's say, our solutions having, let's say, or connecting with finishing machine. Customer, let's say, can see from the, let's say, upstream to the downstream. Actually, let's say, live demonstration samples customer, let's say, can take. That's a, let's say, great opportunity for us to promote our product.
Yeah.
So, overall, those, let's say, 3 days are very much successful, let's say, event or, let's say, days for us.